But I thought you were dead.
We're in a dark room, Strauss.
This is impossible. I killed you. You can't be alive.
Hey, maybe I'm a ghost of Christmas future, Strauss, and you have to revenge my death.
You goddamn Snow.
No words need to be said, Strauss. As I see you still in the scrap hole, it was too easy to find you, Strauss. Too easy.
Well, Snow, this time I'll make sure that you're dead.
Bring it on, Strauss. Hard enough, Strauss.
You know, last time a person asked me that, I ripped out his heart and took a bite from it.
I'm so scared, Strauss. Shut up, bitch.
That does it.
I knew that would freak you out. Now show me what you got.
You're gonna feel sorry soon, Snow.
Bring it on, skullhead. Face it, Strauss, you're no match for me anymore.
How? What? How?
Not now, Strauss. Shh. I'll come back for you. And take this time as a warning. Next time I won't let you off so easily.
What are you
Thank you.